You guys know I love lighting, and I think that is one of the most important factors in photography. The greatest camera in the world without a good light is pretty much useless. So Godox reached out to us and has sent us a Lightman LP400BI. And I'll be honest, when I first saw these come out, I thought it said light lemon. I don't know where I got that, but I'm just wondering, does anybody else when they first saw this thought it said light lemon? Maybe it's just me. But anyway, I haven't opened this yet, so let's open up and see what's in here. I will be taking this out with me, and I'm going to be showing you guys what it'll do in the field. But let's see what's in the box. Oh, Godox, man. They use the nicest cases. You guys know I also love cases a lot. I like them in a nice case. That is very nice. It seems like that case alone, as expensive as things are now, would be $50. So here we go. We got our nice box. Let's open it up. And like I was saying, this box feels like it would cost, everything in here costs $79. That is amazing price. And I'm going to show you some features on this that I think you're really going to be impressed with. So, of course, we get our instruction book. I know you guys can't see this very good, so I hold it up. So this is our main, this is the front. We got plastic on it. Let me take the plastic off. It has barn doors right here on the front. And that is a nice, easy carry light. It's not super heavy. All you need is a lightweight stand at the bottom. Like I said, I'm going to take this out in the field and show you how this works. My wife, she works in an office, and I'm going to take it up and show her how much she likes it, and she'll probably keep it then, but that's a story for another day. But now, you've got the back. You can use regular AC power, or if you see right here, you can use MP batteries, which are, this is a big MP battery right here. Slide it in that way. All right, so I'll put the batteries in the back, and we've got our menu. Right here, we can scroll through. It's still not even set up. You might can see where it says English. I got to go through and set that up. But let's just take a look at the power of the flash. Pretty bright. And now it's not good. It's not something you're going to take outside and you're going to overpower the sun with it or anything like that. But if you like to have a light and you don't need a flash, you need an LED, this and a little light stand will go a long way. Like I said, with my wife, she's in an office. I'm going to take it and video her. She does a lot of conference calls, so I'm going to set this up over her computer and down on her and show her what a difference it makes. It makes it easier than just having that fluorescent, ugly lighting. So I'm going to show that to her now. Fold it up. And the good thing is, I forgot to say, this already has this is basically a built-in softbox. So there's no need to put anything around it. It is already built in to be a very, very soft light, which to me is very cool. Again, less to carry. But here's the back one more time with all the settings on it. Like that, it's very cool. And it also comes with our power cables and the actual cord to the wall. So, I'll put all this over here, put my directions back in case I need it. Then here is our case. And here is our Lightman back and the front. I'll open the barn doors up again. There you guys go. That's what's in your package, and $79 with the prices of things now. Being able to get a light this size that already has built-in softbox is just extraordinary. So I suggest take a look at these for $79. It's quite a deal. So anyway, let's head out into the field and see what it'll do. So this is my wife as she's doing her work on her computer. She'll do Zoom calls. She'll do all kinds of different calls. And so we have her a light that I have on right now that's a Lightman, the LP400. You can see how good that looks until I turn it off. And you can tell by the pictures, I think I took it to 3200 to get it to look good, where that's 400. And then I turn it back on, you can see the difference. And there you go. It looks really impressive. Plenty of power to light her up, make her look much better than everybody else that's in on the Zoom call. And she is good to go. So that's awesome. And also, that is only 33% on the Lightman. So that's 1/3 of its power, and it's kicking butt. All right, guys. So we're back down in the studio with our Lightman panel. Now, the one thing you didn't mention is it does not come with the 2 LP batteries. You have to have those on your own. You can get different sizes. The ones I showed you, these right here, these are about the largest. These are like 970. You can get 770, 570. So any amount that you want. The bigger the battery, the longer it'll last. but it comes with, and you've also got your regular power outlet, so you don't have to have batteries. And for $79 to get a light, it's just a soft light. You don't need any diffusion. It's lightweight. It just closes up like nothing. Put a small lightweight carrying light stand, easy for me to say, put a small light stand on the bottom and you're good to go. And you can see the differences when I would turn it off and turn it on for her when she was doing her Zoom. So I think it makes a huge difference. And I mean, for real, with the prices of things today, and this being only $79, you might be tempted to get a couple of them. But I believe, you know, I made the statement when I started the video the first time before I actually used it, that you're not going to go outside and overpower the sun, and you're still not going to do that. But those pictures we had of her were at 33% of what the power is. I think if you were in the shade as the sun was going down, you could turn this up and you would be able to get some cool shots with just the right lighting. I'm not talking about going out at noon, sitting this 20 feet away from somebody. That's not going to work. But if you're, you know, the sun's going down maybe an hour before sunset and you're in the shade, I believe you could get this 3 or 4 feet away and get some good headshots. So I might have to try that myself and see how that works out. But anyway, guys, I appreciate it. I appreciate your time. Just remember how important your lighting is in photography. Like I said, the best camera in the world can't do much without light. So just don't cheap out on light. And I was impressed with everything about this. The size, the weight, the different ways to charge it, just how lightweight it is. It's just very, very, you got all the settings. You got your Kelvin settings on there. So you got all you need right here. It's just amazing. $79, which in today's world, I mean, just compared to a year ago, is so cheap. I mean, there's memory cards. Most of the memory cards I buy, like Pro Grade, one of my memory cards costs more than this. That's ridiculous. But anyway, guys, I appreciate it. That is the Godox LP400BI we're talking about, $79. I'll leave a link down at the bottom. Godox is an affiliate of ours, so if you buy, we do get a small commission from them. Helps keep our channel going, makes it easier for us, and I appreciate every one of you guys. So if you're looking for some good lighting gear, check that out. You know, if you don't need extreme out shooting on the beach kind of stuff, that might work for you. So anyway, I appreciate it. Thanks for your time. If you have any questions, drop it down at the bottom and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.